Did you know that adults over 65, who include a variety of vegetables in their daily meals, are up to 40% less likely to experience rapid muscle loss compared to those who do not? This isn't just a statistic. It's a beacon of hope for anyone who wants to keep moving, playing, and living life to its fullest well into their golden years. With each passing birthday, maintaining physical strength becomes increasingly essential, not just for mobility, but for independence, vitality, and overall quality of life. Fortunately, Nature's Pantry offers simple yet powerful ways to help. Today, we'll explore how 4 specific vegetables can supercharge your strength and support your journey toward a healthier, more active life after 65. As we grow older, one of the most significant challenges we face is the natural decline in muscle mass and strength, a phenomenon known as sarcopenia. This gradual loss can start as early as our 30s, but it accelerates after our 60s, making everyday tasks, from climbing stairs to carrying groceries, feel a bit more demanding. This weakening can limit freedom, confidence, and the ability to enjoy activities we love. Yet, the power to fight back starts at the dinner table. The right foods, specifically certain vegetables, contain nutrients scientifically shown to boost muscle health, enhance energy, and support bone density. But why focus on vegetables, you might wonder, when strength training is often heralded as the gold standard for muscle preservation? While exercise is crucial, it needs the right fuel. Nutrient-dense foods, rich in plant compounds, vitamins, and minerals that together build a foundation for strength. Among all the choices in the produce aisle, 4 vegetables stand out for their remarkable impact on the body's muscles and resilience after the age of 65. The first powerhouse vegetable is spinach. Often praised for its association with cartoon muscle man Popeye, spinach's reputation isn't just a myth. This leafy green is packed with magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and relaxation. It's also a standout source of nitrates, naturally occurring compounds that help widen blood vessels and improve the efficiency with which muscles use oxygen. In a study published in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition, older adults who consumed nitrate-rich spinach daily showed noticeable improvements in muscle strength and walking speed within just 12 weeks. Add it raw to salads, blend it into smoothies, or sauté lightly to preserve its nutritional power. Next, let's talk about sweet potatoes. Vibrant in color and taste, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, a key nutrient for muscle recovery and immune support. But perhaps even more important for older adults is sweet potatoes' robust potassium content. Potassium aids in balancing the body's fluids and electrolytes, preventing muscle cramps and supporting nerve function. Including sweet potatoes with dinner can fuel muscles for activity and help repair them afterward, all the while providing a satisfying, energy-sustaining foundation. Our third strength-boosting vegetable may surprise you: broccoli. Beyond its reputation as a staple on healthy dinner plates, broccoli is a secret weapon in the fight against sarcopenia. It's loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that not only supports collagen formation for sturdy muscles and connective tissues, but also dampens harmful inflammation that often rises with age. Emerging research demonstrates that people with higher intakes of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli maintain greater leg and grip strength, vital markers of independence in older age. Lightly steamed or roasted, broccoli becomes a flavorful and strategic ally. Finally, the understated beetroot completes our list. Beets are filled with naturally occurring nitrates, much like spinach, but also deliver a unique punch of antioxidants and folate, which are essential for blood flow and muscle oxygenation. Several studies, including a groundbreaking trial at Wake Forest University, show that drinking beetroot juice daily can enhance muscle force during exercise and even improve walking endurance for seniors. Roasted, grated into salads, or blended into a vibrant soup, beets offer a simple yet effective way to invigorate your muscular system. These 4 vegetables aren't just nutritious, they come with powerful stories of transformation. Take, for instance, a community fitness program in the United Kingdom that tested the effects of adding spinach and beets to participants' diets. Within 8 weeks, seniors reported greater stamina during group walks and less need for recovery time after classes. Lab tests mirrored their experiences, revealing meaningful gains in muscle strength and less oxidative stress following this vegetable-powered dietary shift. Such real-life results echo the scientific consensus. The path to strength and resilience is paved with mindful eating. Yet, integrating these vegetables into daily life need not be complicated. A morning omelet dotted with spinach, roasted sweet potato cubes with lunch, crisp steamed broccoli alongside dinner, and a beetroot salad or beverage as a snack. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. The key is consistency. Building the habit of including at least one of these vegetables at every meal sets the stage for lasting results. Of course, optimal muscle health isn't only about what you eat. Staying hydrated, staying physically active, and working with your healthcare provider to address unique dietary needs all contribute to the big picture. But when it comes to boosting the body's strength from the inside out, few strategies are as accessible, effective, and enjoyable as celebrating the bounty of your local produce aisle. In summary, vegetables like spinach, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and beetroot are more than just colorful sides on your plate. They're powerful allies in preserving and enhancing your strength after 65. With every serving, these vegetables deliver an array of vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that repair muscle fibers, fuel activity, and support heart and bone health. Backed by compelling research and real-life stories of improved endurance and vitality, these foods offer practical and proven ways to embrace your later years with vigor. So next time you plan a meal, remember the science, the stories, and the simple truth that what you eat can truly shape how you feel and move each day. Your strength tomorrow starts with the choices you make at the table today.